Okay, here we have some Cretors or Cretors, or I don't know how you pronounce them, but they're supposed to be a more impactful snack because there's no artificial preservatives, no fewer calories per cup, and no high fructose corn syrup. A good thing. Handcrafted small batch. So cheese and caramel. Who would have thunk that that would be so tasty? But it's the combination of the savory and the sweet that really gives it a delicious taste. Obviously, this is not the first time I've had this. But it is something I don't purchase very often at all. It's an expensive treat for me because I live in Japan. These are imported. They are about, I'd say 4 times the price of locally sourced snacks. So that's quite a difference. So these are from Cleveland, I believe, isn't it? Yeah, they're made in Cleveland. So let's open these babies up and try together. Oh, just look at that goodness. All right, we got some cheese and some caramel. Let's get them all together. They do this so well, especially I think the caramel popcorn, because the glazing is very light and crisp, just stays on the surface, very buttery. These ones are a little softer in texture, but they're still crisp enough, and they have that cheesiness to them. I think I need more cheese. There we go. 1 cheese and 1 caramel. Perfect combination. Wow. Who would have thought, seriously, that these two would go so well together? It says no preservatives on the package down here, but it looks like we do have some artificial colors going along because I don't think cheese is this glowingly orange, is it? I think that's a common thread in American cheeses in particular, which reminds me, the taste of the cheddar here is definitely a North American variety of cheese. If you've lived long-term and elsewhere in the world and you have access to other cheeses, I think this one definitely stands out as something unique. But if you live in North America, this cheese. Cheese is cheese. Eating only caramel corn, I think, is a little too sickly, but when you sort of level it out with the cheesiness, it's perfect. If you can sneak this into the theater instead of your theater popcorn, I think you're in business. Pricey for me, but highly recommend.